I am from Germany and I do genealogy work in Germany, and I'm also a university teacher, and I teach genealogy also at the university, and we have built up a cooperation with genealogy department of Rojava University, and so we do co-led seminars on feminicide and counter strategies, and also on genealogy they participate and we have exchange on this kind of teaching. But in addition, I also do the general works like to the society to introduce genealogy, to have educations on genealogy, produce material, because it's just a wonderful science coming from Mesopotamia that is taken up in many places in the world, and is giving us a lot, because we know that the current academic system has caused all the crisis and all the destruction in the world that we have, and it will not bring the kind of solution that are needed, because science is part of the problem. I mean, the way of thinking. We need now also change the way how we explain the world, how we, like the methodologies, how we research the world, and how we think ourselves as part of this world, connected to nature, connected between humans in all our relations, like in society, between women, between neighbors, in partnerships, in family, to the children, but also in the whole society. So we need to change a lot so that it's not all done by hierarchies and domination and destruction and exploitation, but to create a world that is really based on care, on nurturing life, on happiness, you can say, and on freedom for sure. I mean, no domination, no oppression, no exploitation. Yeah. I joined this peace delegation as representative of genealogy works in Germany, and because it's such a big threat now, like all this war, all this aggression and colonialism coming from Turkey. It's not just attacking some villages or some mountain places with fighters, but it's attacking ideas, it's attacking a process of democratization, this process of bringing freedom and equality to the world and the women's liberation. It's attacking all this because Turkey is just the enemy of women's rights, I mean inside of Turkey, but also to the outside, attacking Rojava, what is a great women's revolution, attacking, occupying already Afrin and creating an Islamist, very misogynist life for women, and now attacking here and invading to South Kurdistan, and all this expansion. They are such a big threat and creator of problems, of peace, of and of freedom. There's a special relation we also have to this region that is now attacked, I mean the mountains and all Mesopotamia, because there is such a rich history of matriarchal cultures, and there you can still find all these temples of female goddesses, mother goddesses, and like for example in the mountains, Zagros mountains that are now part of this area that they want to occupy. There is this cave of Ishtar that is called after this mother goddesses, and the first genealogy conference took place in this cave, and it was women from all parts of Kurdistan coming there to start genealogy, and they started the research and the writings of genealogy in these mountains that are now bombed, and so this is also a special relation. We have to continue and to enable this research and this connecting to the roots of matriarchy, what is a free life and a life that really cares for all human beings.